Hello friends, myself Chirag. Today I am going to discuss with you LRU page replacement algorithm. LRU stands for least recently used. Topic of computer organization and architecture, and also the topic of operating system. So first of all, what is the need of page replacement algorithm? Whenever new page comes from a secondary memory to main memory, and at that time main memory is full, so how can we replace old page by a new page? At that time page replacement algorithm is required. Now, what is the definition of page fault? A page fault occurs when a program attempts to access a memory block that is not stored in the physical memory or RAM. For example, one program execution is going on. At that time, processor want to access memory block, or we can say access to page, but page is not available inside the RAM. So this is called page fault. Different page replacement algorithm, or we can say different page replacement policies are FIFO, LRU, and Optima. Today we are going to discuss LRU. What is the aim, or we can say target of this all algorithm is to reduce the number of page fault during the execution of program. LRU page replacement algorithm. LRU stands for least recently used, so everybody know about that. No discuss further. In LRU algorithm is a greedy algorithm where the page to be replaced is recently and least recently used. The working of this algorithm is that the LRU algorithm can be implemented by associating a counter with every page that is in main memory. So we can say whenever a page entered in main memory, one counter will be set and set as a 0. When a page is referenced, its associated counter is set to 0. Whenever one page is already stored, and at that time page hit, or we can say page is available when processor required that page, so again counter set as 0. And whenever new page comes from secondary memory to main memory, at that time counter of the page is 0. The counter associated with all pages presently in memory are incremented by 1. The least recently used page is the page with the highest count. So we can say least recently page used is the highest count, like P2 is already stored before P3 and P5. So and P2 is now not used, or we can say P2 is not page hit at that time. A counter or P2 is highest than P2, P5 and P3. The counter are often called aging register, as their count indicates their age, that is how long their associated pages have been referenced. Now see one example to better understanding this LRU page replacement algorithm. Some string is given over here and the page frame is 3. Find number of page faults using LRU page replacement algorithm. And the same example will be solved by FIFO page replacement algorithm. The video is available in my YouTube channel. Now the solution of this page replacement algorithm. This is time slot, this is page. At first time slot page P2 is arrived, so our frame is empty during initially, so P2 is inserted. So why it is blue and why it is starred? Now read this. Star indicates least recently used page which will be replaced when new page is arrived, and blue color indicate currently inserted page. Now page is not available inside the page frame, so it is page miss. Now at second time slot P3 accessed by the processor, and P3 is not available in the page frame, so P3 is inserted, so also we can say it is page miss. Here you can see P2 is indicated by star. Why? Because it is least recently used, and P3 is blue. Why? Because it is currently inserted page. Now third page is P2. Again P2 is available, so P2 is blue and P3 is indicated by star. Why? Because P2 is currently inserted and P3 is least recently used page. Here page hit. Why? Because P2 is available when accessed by processor. At time slot 4, page number P1. So here P1 is not available, so P1 is inserted, one slot is empty in page frame, so again it is page miss. Now 5 and page is P5. Now P5 replace P3. Why? Because P3 is star and star indicate it is least recently used, so P1 and P2 is last used, and before P1 and P2 P3 is inserted, so P3 is least recently used. Now P3 is replaced by P5. So it is again page miss because P5 is not available. 6 P2, P2 is available, so it is page hit, and so on. 7 P4, P4 is replaced to P1, and P5 is least recently used. Here again page miss because page is not available. P4 is inserted. Again P5 and P5 is available here, so it is page hit. Again and 9 times slot P3. P3 is not available inside the page frame, so P3 is replaced to P2, and P4 is least recently used because P3 is inserted and P5 is previously used. So this is again page miss. At 10th P2, so P2 is stored over here and it is again page miss. At 11th P5, and again it is available inside the page frame. You can see over here, so P5 is indicated as blue and it is page hit. Now last one is P2, and P2 is also available, so it is page hit. Now count how many page miss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 page fault in this given string. In same example in FIFO there are 9 page fault, so we can say it is better than FIFO algorithm. Now advantage, performance of LRU is high in compared to FIFO, so efficiency is good. Disadvantage is maintain a counter for each page. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel on YouTube, Chirag Valodia. Press bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you.